Hello, this is Exam 1, Question 6. Question 6 asks us to solve the integral of x cubed times the square root of 1 minus x squared. So to start off, we'll do a u substitution equal to 1 minus x squared. And the derivative of this would be du equals negative 2x dx. And then divide both sides by negative 2. And we get du over negative 2 equals x dx. Now over here to the side, we'll solve for x. So we get u minus 1 equals negative x squared. And we divide both sides by negative 1 to get negative u plus 1 equals x squared. And as we move forward, you'll see why we did this. And now we'll rewrite our function in terms of u. And we get the integral of negative u plus 1 times x times square root of u times dx. And as you can see, we made a u substitution for the x and the dx. So we'll rewrite it again with that replacement. And we get the integral of negative u plus 1 times the square root of u. And then multiplied by negative du over 2. So our negative 1/2 is a constant. So I'll bring it out and rewrite it as negative 1/2 integral of negative u plus 1 times the square root of u du. And then down here, I can rewrite it once more as negative 1/2 integral negative u plus 1 u to the 1/2 power du. And now this is an easier function to work with, so I'll rewrite it over here to the side. And if you look, you can see that our u to the 1/2 can be distributed. So I'll rewrite it as negative 1/2 integral of negative u to the 3 over 2 power plus u to the 1/2 power du. Now I'm going to rewrite our equation and expand it so it's easier to look at and see what we're working with. So we have negative 1/2 times the integral of negative u to the 3 over 2 power du plus the integral of u to the 1/2 power du. Now, I'll start with the left side first and integrate it first. I'll write it in red so that we can see and differentiate it. So we have the integral of negative u to the 3 over 2 power du. Or in other words, once integrated, we have negative u 3 over 2 plus 1 over 3 over 2 plus 1. And in all, this equals negative u 5 over 2 over 5 over 2. Now I'll go back here and integrate the right side in green. We have the integral of u 1/2 du. Or in other words, as we did with the other side, we have u 1/2 plus 1 to the exponent and denominator. And this turns out to be u 3 over 2 with an exponent of 3 over 2. Now we bring our negative 1/2 down and rewrite it as its original function, so negative 1/2 times this added up together. And I'll bring out the denominators so that we can see it much clearer. So we have 2 over 5, negative 2 over 5 u, 5 to the second power, plus 2 over 3 u, 3 over 2 power, times negative 1/2. And now I'll bring our function down here. But first we have to remember that this 1/2 is out here. So what we can do with this is distribute it to both sides of the equation. Now I'm going to bring them out so it's easier to visualize what it is that we're doing when multiplying this. So negative 2 over 5 times negative 1/2. This is equal to positive 1/5. And then we'll do the same for the other side. So we have 2 over 3 times negative 1/2. 2's cancel out, and we are left with negative 1/3. U and to the power of 3 over 2. So now that we have this, we can combine our terms and get 1/5 times u to the power of 5 over 2 plus 1/3 times u to the power of 3 over 2. And from here, we can plug in our u value, which was originally 1 minus x squared. So I'll rewrite it down here. We get 1/5 times 1 minus x squared to the power of 5 over 2 plus 1/3 times 1 minus x squared to the power of 3 over 2 plus c. Because we never had any bounds, so we weren't able to integrate to a value. And this is our answer.